everybody, it's Orange, and today I'm gonna do a tutorial video. The last time I did one of these, it was for a FNF mod, and I'm still working on it, kind of. I don't know. But this time, it's for something a bit cooler, in my opinion. So it's about, how to make your own PNGtuber. Yay! Yeah, something like that. And, yeah, I know. PNGtubers as a whole has a bit of controversy, but I promise that I'll try my best not to, do stuff like that. So, even though I'm not really the best at tutorials, I got this tutorial from someone else, so I'll leave the link in the description for a better explanation. But, if you want to become a VTuber, but it's too expensive, so, yeah, I can't do that. So, PNGtubers are your only shot if you want to do something as cool, but also do it for free. And way, way, way more simpler, and you don't need the webcam or anything like that. So, before I tell you what to do, here's some things you need. You need, some sprites of your avatar. So, for example, I'm going to show you my older avatar. Yeah, this was my older avatar, but it was mostly used for videos, not for actual, like, stuff like that. And you need the software. There's a lot of cool softwares that I haven't tried yet, but the one that I use personally is this cool app called VEADOTUBE Mini, and let me show you what it looks like. So it looks something like this. This is where this thing here is the volume cutoff. So if I do it high, really high, you have to scream very loudly so your avatar can talk. But if you do it really low, then even like a small whisper can like do something like that. Yeah, you know what I mean. So like in my opinion, I like putting mine at 20 because I have a loud voice, or 19. And this is the microphone delay duration. So I like to put mine at the top, but you can always change it. So here's what it does. If you put it at extremely low and you talk and you stop talking, look. It takes a long time for the animation to stop. So when I put it up high, it gets to stop as soon as I stop talking, which is pretty cool in my opinion. And there's a whole lot of stuff here. You're probably wondering how do you get this app for yourself. Well, here's what I'm about to show you. So go on itch.io. I'm not going to download it because I already have it. But go on https just copy the link in the description as well. So you'll be taken to this page with a lot of stuff. You can download it at name your own price. You can get it for free, but I suggest you should pay for them because they spent a lot of time working on this. I got it for free because I'm poor, but, stuff like that. So after you download it, right, you should go to your files and, unzip it, and then, go onto the file, and then open the app. Wait, does it work twice? Oh wait, I don't think it works twice. So, since it doesn't work twice, I'm just going to show you how you make your own PNG avatar. So, obviously, you won't have a setup like mine because I'm already experienced. Well, I guess you are, like, probably new at this stuff. So, go onto avatar settings and, Load. Wait. Wait, I've never made a new avatar before. Oh crap. Oh wait. Oh wait, no, never mind, never mind. So go on this plus button called copy current state, right? So then you'll make a copy of the original thing, and now you have these pictures when your mouth is closed and it's open, and when it's blinking, and when it's blinking for the open mouth image. So I want you to delete all these images. Okay. Now before we get into shenanigans, I'm going to do this. Yes. Just go on your normal state and go to pictures. Now you can choose whatever. Wait, what the hell happened? Bro, I think something happened. Oh crap! Oh my god, no, it did work twice. No, that's not good. Let me turn that off. Wait, did I break it? Oh crap, did I break it? No, I think I broke it. No. Oh my god, I think I broke it. No. No, I broke it. Oh my god, what's happening? But anyways, so go to close image, close mouth image. Yeah, I think I accidentally broke it. I might have to redo this video. So so you can do any image. Of course, there's a size limitation. I can't remember the exact numbers, but I do know there's a limitation. So go to your I just glitched out. Avatar, avatar, and then mine is a GIF, so mine is more animated. So yeah. Now go to open mouth, and then choose the image that you have of your thing talking. So now, if it's working properly, whenever you speak, right, the image should change to your talking animation, which is pretty cool. Also, if you want, you can also add blinking animations. I don't really have one. I mean, I do, because the idol is already blinking on its own for the GIF. But, like, yeah, you can add a blinking animation. As you can see, this animation already does have a blinking animation. See? Did you see that? So, like, you're probably wondering, how is my avatar bouncing around like that? So, go to state effects. I'm gonna delete all this. So, your avatar should look like this. Not exactly, but it should be still, you know what I mean? So then, go to your effects. Now, go to god damn it, closed mouth effects. And then there's all of these cool effects. You can do the wave rotate, which means it can do this. Or even cooler, you can do the wave move. Or you could go darken, which just makes your avatar go black. And you can change it to how dark or light you want it. Wait, did it work? Hold on. Okay. So you can change the thing to the other thing. I don't know how to explain it. Or you could do random move, which is you like spazzing out. Or you could do jumping. Now, me personally, I do like the jumping effect. I keep it at a certain degree so it doesn't look odd. Also, you can also do it for open mouth, or like, you know, whenever you speak. So, for example, I'm gonna set to both of these jumping. So now look. Now your avatar should be bouncing around. Or, actually, I do not know what these two do. You can change it to nervous or custom, which means you can change it to however you want. I do not know how to explain these features, but it's pretty cool. So now you know how to make your avatar. Now, you need something to, record it with, like this video. So, go to, Streamlabs or something like that. There's other OBSs you could choose, but I personally use, Streamlabs because it's sleek and I like it. So, you should go to new screen, new scene. You don't have to change the name. So then, oh crap, okay, so now go to your sources. Okay, select new source and do game capture. Alright, add source, and then for existing sources, your avatar should be there. So then add the source, and then boom, your avatar should be on your screen. Make sure that the Jesus Christ, I can't say the name. VEADOTUBE Mini is still open while you're like doing this. So then, yeah, this is how you can become a PNGtuber in a 10-minute video. Wait, is it 10 minutes? Oh no, it's 12. This video will be edited, so yeah, the stuff might be odd. So like, yeah, and you can obviously add other stuff because Streamlabs is cool and really easy to use. I'm gonna use color block to add the background. You can change it to any color you want. For example, I want it to be this color. Yeah, I want it to be this color. Okay, now, always overlapping. Crap, it's not supposed to overlap. Okay, now you have a background, and your avatar should be on top of that background. And then you can add stuff to it. I'm not going to explain it. You can just look it up on YouTube. But anyways, that's how you become a PNGtuber with a few easy steps if you're a beginner. Again, I am not the best at explaining things, so I think you should watch the video from the description where I got it from. So like, yeah. I originally did want it to become a VTuber, but it's way too expensive. And, I'm poor, so yeah. But anyways, I hope you all have a nice day. Hopefully I'll make more tutorials like this. Maybe I'll show you how to use Streamlabs to record videos like this. Or, like, But anyways, before I go, I'm gonna switch back to my OG avatar. I mean, this technically is my OG avatar, but, my newer one. Also, I forgot to mention, hold on, let me go back to source, the screen. This is how you can save your avatar. So, go to avatar settings,